That is horrible.
Okay, try again.
Okay.
I'm gonna rock back and then rock forward.
No, you're gonna fall on my face.
Whoa, promise.
Please don't troll me. Please don't.
Okay, chill.
Suck it in.
Relax. Concentrate.
That's gonna be hard for Katie.
The rocket forward thing's not working.
Okay, well let me try you on me.
No!
Come on.
Okay, this is gonna be good.
No, it really isn't.
You can't weigh much more than Jess. Come on.
I weigh 135 pounds.
I weigh 130 pounds. Let's go.
You're fat.
You're fatter!
I weigh 92.
Robbie,
She weighs 92.
that's not bad.
I mean 82, sorry.
It's scary, isn't it? Ready? You gotta rock back and then rock forward, otherwise.
I meant 80.
Help me! Come on, this is not gonna be easy. Gotta help me.
That was not what I thought you just said.
What did you think I said?
What the heck, mate?
What the heck, mate?
Except I didn't think you said heck.
What an idiot. Okay, chill, concentrate. Ready?
Oh, that looks like it hurt.
Okay. We're good. Okay. Let's do this. We got this.
I'm not. Can you do that on my stomach or something?
You got me?
Yeah.
Okay, do it. I want to see her face.
No.
Your arm's in the way. Your arm is in the way. Hey.
Is that a funny face?
Okay. You were yours. Okay. Let me try to be a tummy. This is gonna suck because I'm ticklish.
Oh gosh. If you end up slipping and falling on my face, I'm gonna see you cracking your nose on my nose. You keep going that way.
Brain. Because that's where we're leaning. Go this way a little more. Let's get that way.
Oh
So
gosh.
small.
I know, that's what I've been trying to tell you this whole time. Okay. You gotta use your abs. Your imaginary abs.
They're not imaginary. They're actually there. You just can't see them.
You were saying. Ready?